Hello, welcome in Speak Right to AI. Voor Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian benvenuti, come stai, for French enchanté, comment ça va, for Spanish hola. So today we're gonna speak about AI strategy, and AI strategy it's about the way you will speak to AI. Last time we speak about tasks and context and persona and other fundamental of AI, and today we're gonna speak about the strategy. First thing, like our last question was, what is the error? This zero shot trumpet, without training, without any answering, without any question. It's only a simple question without context, and its meaning, it is asking the question without training. For example, what is the most popular program? It will answer from his memory directly. So it's already you will ask him, he will go to his database and will take the answer and come back, give it to you. This meaning zero shot prompt, and this is the simple idea to speak with AI. There are many strategy, and today we will continue speak about it, our last video about engineering prompt. Second thing, it's about few shot prompt. What's few shot prompt meaning? Few shot prompt meaning we will give him a simple question with simple answers directly, and the difference between them, like we will ask him what is the air in physics, what is the air in boo or story or poetry, what is the physics. So it's every time we will changing. So it's a beginning of training, and by giving idea we just give him more idea. Example, as we say, A is Iron Man, B Tony Stark, C Spider-Man, D the answer will be Peter Parker. It will give you data through it, so you can create a new data in his database, but actually specific data for you. This is the few shot prompt, and it will be short, about 3 or 4 questions with answers. Chaining of thought. Chaining of thought, its meaning, as you know, chaining of thought, supplying of thought, or chaining of thought. It's as example, and really example, if for math, if we ask him what 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 2 equal 4, 3 equal 3, 3 plus 3 equal 6. So what's the answer of 4 equal 4? He will give directly the answer is 8. We give him steps, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. It gives us example but without solution. In the last question we give him the answer without solution, and we ask it for the answer. It will be answering right because we give him a mathematical steps, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, and example for more. And this chain of thought, we use it only, or we use it in mathematics, or making things like create a photo or image. Self-constancy, it's about giving a question and the answer to learn from it. That meaning, I give him a question What is the air? The air it's blah 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 blah. What is the air in poetry? The air in poetry it's blah blah blah. So I give him the question with the answer. Why do that? I do that to give him an organized, logical and integrated way of thinking. So his data will be organized and will be logic. If you ask him directly what air in poetry, he will give you directly the answer by straight way. Last thing, as I believe it's shining. It's about if we have a big data. Shining, it's about when we have a big data. We start to give it some by some by some by some. Give it data like answer with logic way, and every question add more point. In every point we give him more point. The choice will be better in the end. Do you know? He will give you a better idea and a better answering in the end, maybe like the last time in Excel sheet. This is the last thing about our tutorial about engineering prompt. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, just ask us. Don't forget to make like, share and subscribe, and we will waiting you for any question in our Telegram group, so I can tell you goodbye and see you soon. Goodbye.